Hello everyone, this is an AI here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this spiral logo in Affinity Vector Studio. This logo is similar to the one that we covered previously, but a bit different. Alright, so to get started we go to File, New, and we create a new composition. And then we'll make sure that snapping, snap to guides, and snap to object bounding boxes are enabled. And we go to View, Guides, and we add horizontal and vertical center guides to the composition. And then we're going to start drawing the figure. So we take the ellipse tool, we set the fill to none, we leave the stroke as black, and we set the stroke width to 10 point. And then we draw a circle, and we give it 120 by 120 millimeters in dimensions. So we need it to be divided by 6. And then with the move tool, we center it in the middle of the composition. And then we're going to duplicate and rescale it. So here in the transform panel, we select the reference point to the midpoint and the top to rescale in reference to it. And then we press on Ctrl J to duplicate. And we set the width and the height value to 60 millimeters. So this gives us the second circle that we need. And then we press on Ctrl J to duplicate once more. And we set the width and the height value to 20 millimeters. And we center the third circle to the middle of the second circle, like this. And then we're going to need a few more circles. So we select the larger circle. We press on Ctrl J to duplicate it. And then while holding Shift to keep the proportions, we scale it down until it snaps to the top of this small circle here. And then we press on Ctrl J to duplicate it again. And while holding Shift, we scale it down until it snaps to the bottom of this small circle here. And then we repeat the process one last time. We press on Ctrl J and we scale it down until it snaps to the bottom of this middle circle here. Alright, so now we have all the circles that we need, and we are going to create the comma shapes. So we select everything. We take the shape builder tool. We set the action to plus and the cleanup to none. And we connect these three elements here, which gives us the small comma. And then we connect all these elements here, which gives us the larger comma. And then we switch the action to minus. And we delete all the rest. And lastly, we take the move tool. We group both commas together. And we are going to duplicate and rotate it to have the other half of the logo. So we go here to Move Tool Settings, enable Transform Origin. We set the rotation center in the middle of the composition. We press on Ctrl J to duplicate it. And we rotate it by 120 degrees here in the Transform panel. And this gives us the other half of the logo. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create a spiral comma logo in Affinity Vector Studio. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!